Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can install PHP on your Windows. Okay, just simply go to Google and search like this, download PHP for Windows, and go to this page. Yes, and then you can choose any version that you want. They click on zip file to download. Yes, zip file. Yes, so after we download we get this file, and right now I extract it to this folder. Yeah, so after you have a folder of PHP, we can try to check, and we see this is the PHP file, and can be executed by Windows. I think it's not working yet because yes, we try it, it's not working yet. It's because we not yet config, or we not yet tell the system where is the PHP. You can go to edit your environment, and here click on path and click edit. So please do like my example. Here is my folder of PHP. I just simply click on this and copy, and then add new and paste all here. So just click OK. Yeah, try to check is it working. Just type PHP v. Yes, it's working. Perfect. So if you ever watch my video, you may see I have some tutorial with Python or Flutter, but now this is PHP. So I will have more tutorial about PHP because nowadays I'm working with PHP a lot. I just want to share with PHP more than Python or Flutter or anymore. Yes, it's include Laravel or any that related to web development. So that's all for today. See you the next video.